Good morning. I am Dibyendu Mondal. Today I am discussing about reaction turbine. Reaction turbine. Okay. Reaction turbine. In this turbine, pressure drop occurs both in the nozzles or the fixed row of blades as well as the moving row of blades. Okay, so pressure drop occurs. Pressure drop occurs. Okay, pressure drop occurs both in the nozzles, or the fixed row of blades as well as moving row of blades. Okay, so both here, both in the nozzles and fixed row of blades as well as moving row of blades. Since moving row of blades channel are also the nozzle shape, due to expansion of steam while flowing through the blade, there is an increase in kinetic energy which gives rise to reaction in the opposite direction. Okay, increase in kinetic energy, increase in kinetic energy okay, increase in kinetic energy which gives rise to reaction in the opposite direction. Blades rotate due to both the impulse effect of the jets and the reaction force of the exciting jet impressed on the blade in the opposite direction. Okay, opposite direction. So first one, if you draw the diagram, variation of pressure and velocity of the reaction turbine, if you draw the diagram, first one is this is the fixed blade FB, fixed blade, that is the fixed blades FB, and this one is the moving blade MB, moving blade, and then fixed blade, and then moving blade. Okay, fixed blade and moving blades, and the blade is like that. Okay, like that, and okay, and then upward, and then downward, like that. Okay, like that. So this one is the steam inflow, and this one like that, then like that, and then like that. Okay, so the pressure variation, this one is if this is the P0, okay, P0, and this one is the P1 horizontal, then slight increasing horizontal, this is the P2, then in P3 slight increasing, then P3, and this is the P4. This one is the pressure variation, and another one is the velocity variation. Another one is the velocity variation. Velocity variation looks like this one. This gradually increasing, then decreasing. Okay, decreasing, then increasing. Okay, then decreasing, like that. This is the velocity V. Okay, V0, peak velocity V1, V2, V3, V4. Okay, V1, V2, V3, V4. So Due to the expansion of steam while flowing through the blades, there is an increase in kinetic energy which gives rise to reaction in the opposite direction by the Newton's third law. Such a turbine, first one, blades rotate due to both impulse effect of jets and the reaction force of the exciting jets impressed on the blade in the opposite direction. Such a turbine is called impulse reaction turbine. Okay, impulse reaction turbine. If you draw the velocity diagram of 50% reaction turbine, 50% actually the degree of reaction is defined. The degree of reaction is defined degree of reaction equal to R. Degree of reaction R equal delta H mb divided by delta H fb plus delta H mb. Okay, that is the degree of reaction, where the subscript mb and fb, one is the moving blade, another one is the fixed blade. Okay, so mb, that is the moving blade, mb represent moving blade, mb, that is the moving blades. Okay, moving blades, and fb, that is the fixed blade. Okay, fixed blades. One is the moving blade, another one is the fixed blade. If delta H mb 0, R is equal to 0, if delta H mb equal to 0, therefore R is equal to 0. Okay, which is the case of pure impulse turbine, where there is no enthalpy drop, that is the pure impulse turbine, pure impulse turbine. Okay, that is the pure impulse turbine. Here there is no enthalpy drop of steam in the moving blades, and all the enthalpy drop of the stage takes place only in nozzles. If delta H fb 0, delta H fb, that is equal to 0, delta H fb is equal to 0, then if you put here mb cancel, that is equal to degree of reaction R is equal to 1. R is equal to 1, which is the case of pure reaction turbine. Okay, pure impulse turbine, and that is the pure reaction turbine. R is equal to 100%. Okay, pure reaction turbine. Okay, pure reaction turbine, R is equal to 1, that is the pure reaction turbine, that is the Hero turbine. Okay, Hero's turbine. Okay, that is the Hero's turbine. Okay, delta H fb equal to 0, that is the Hero's turbine. If equal enthalpy drop occurs in the fixed and moving blades, okay, equal enthalpy drop if equal enthalpy drop, okay, equal enthalpy drops occur in the fixed and moving blades, occurs in the fixed fixed and moving blades. Okay, occurs in the fixed and moving blades. So delta HFB that is equal to delta HMB. Okay, delta HFB that is equal to delta HMB. Okay, delta HMB. So that is equal to delta H stage by 2. Delta H stage by 2. Okay, delta H. So R is equal to half. Okay, that is equal to 50% or 50%. Okay, 50%. Sometimes 50% reaction turbines are called Parsons turbine. 50% reaction turbine. 50% reaction turbine are also called Parsons turbine. Parsons turbine. Okay, 50% reaction turbine, that is the Parsons turbine. Okay, now the velocity diagram for the moving blade of a 50% reaction turbine. If you draw the velocity diagram looks like this one. Okay, like that. Another one like that. So that is the VR1. Another one is the V1. Okay, this is the V1. And another one is this is the VB. And this one is the outlet velocity. One is the relative VR2, exit velocity VR2. Another one is the V2. Okay, another one is the V2. Okay, and this is the delta. Okay, and this one is the beta 1, another one beta 2. Okay, and small angle, this is the alpha. So this is the velocity diagram of 50% reaction turbine, that is the delta VW. Okay, delta VW. Okay, so that is the velocity diagram of a 50% reaction turbine. Velocity diagram of a 50% reaction turbine. Okay, velocity diagram of a 50% reaction turbine. Here simple impulse type of value VR2, relative velocity at exit is equal to kV into VR1. Okay, kV into VR1. VR2 is equal to the relative velocity at exit is equal to kV into VR1. But in the reaction turbine, this velocity is increased. For manufacturing advantage, both fixed blade and moving blades are made similar in shape, so that they can be extruded from the same set of dies. Since here delta HFB equal delta HMB, 50% reaction turbine, so delta HFB is equal to delta HMB, V1 is equal to VR2, V1 that is equal to VR2. Again, for similar geometry, alpha is equal to beta 2 equal, alpha is equal to beta 2 equal 180 degree minus gamma. Okay, 180 degree minus gamma. Okay, 180 degree minus gamma. If you represent all the point ABD, and that is the C point, these two triangle ABD and DBC are similar. Okay, the two triangle ABD, the triangle ABD and triangle DBC are similar. DBC are similar. Okay, angle ABD and DBC are similar. Therefore, VR1 that is equal to V2. Okay, VR1 that is equal to V2. Okay, so VR1 that is equal to V2 and beta 1 is equal to 180 degree minus delta. Okay, beta 1 is equal to 180 degree minus delta. Since beta 1 not is equal to beta 2, since beta 1 not is equal to beta 2, the blades are unsymmetrical. Okay, the blades are unsymmetrical. Okay, so beta 1 not is equal to beta 2, the blades are unsymmetrical. Again, since delta VA is equal to 0, there is no axial thrust imposed on the blades due to the change in axial velocity in 50% reaction turbine. However, there will be considerable axial thrust produced due to the pressure difference across the blades, and delta VW that is equal to V1 cos alpha minus V2 cos delta. V1 cos alpha minus V2 cos delta. So you may write down 2V1 cos alpha minus VV. 2V1 cos alpha minus VV. Okay, 2V1 cos alpha minus VV. And delta VW equal VR1 cos beta 1 plus VR2 cos beta 2 cos beta 2, তাহলে that is equal V1 cos alpha minus VB plus V1 cos alpha. So that is equal to 2 V1 cos alpha minus VB. Okay, 2 V1 cos alpha minus VB. That the diagram work, very important, the diagram work per kg of steel, diagram work okay, the diagram work per kg of steam, that is equal to WD, same formula, WD delta VW VB, delta VW VB. Okay, that is the formula, delta VW VB. So that is equal to 2V1 cos alpha minus VB into VB. 2v1 cos alpha minus vb into vb. ওকে, তাহলে 2v1 cos alpha minus vb into vb, and energy input equal to v1 square minus vb square minus 2v1 vb cos alpha divided by 2. That is the energy input, and very important, that is the diagram work per kg of steel. Okay, diagram work per kg of steel. Okay.